Hello all, in this session we will be learning about EVE Rain. It's a it's a plugin for Rhinoceros 3D software. So it's actually a rain analysis plugin. So you can simulate this rain analysis, what you see here, and like all these drops here, and by that you will be creating these water paths and the valleys here. So let's start. Let me show you how to download this plugin from a particular website. So you'll be getting this website from Food for Rhino, and again, like, you'll be getting many of other plugins from EVE. So it's a solar, Verona, Explore, and also Sun. So if you see, this plugin is only for Rhino 5. So you need to have Rhino 5 for this, because I think they didn't updated it. And also it's a free plugin, so you can log in it and download the plugin. So then you'll be getting a black file, and you can drag and drop in Rhino 5. So let's start with an exercise. So I am having one small topology to show you how it works, because if you take a complicated one, you will be confused how it's working. So simple, you should actually type EV rain, enter, and select object. From this you need to click here and select the surface. You keep this aside, and let me keep this height for 80, something like that. So you'll be getting a nice visualization. So these circles are actually for your visualization, how much is actually covering it up. So it's also like a bounding box. If you think, like, you can also set these two rectangle here and also the circle. And so these dots are actually drops from rain to simulate it. It's ready to simulate, and it's saying, like, it's showing the density, how much we have, and we set in this pop-up, which is like 100. Let me keep to 150, and if you go like 300 and more than that, so your file may be crash, because some of the systems can't take it. So it depends on you. And also, like, even 150 and 300 gives the same result. So if you're keeping for something like 30 minutes by simulating it, so it will be like a same result what you have here. So let's rain here now. So if you see, it's raining, and these dots actually like sliding down here, you see. So let's wait for a second and just stop raining and extract. So if you see here, let me close this. So if you see here, these are the curves created from every drop. The drop, when the drop actually slides down like this, a curve has been created. So this plugin works like this. It's very simple, and you'll be getting this simulation here, which is like this, and you can record that and you can show this for the proof of it. So these are the catchment areas of this topology. So you can show this, and you can take this problem and give the solution for that. And let me show you a complicated surface. So I made this topology from a different tool with different data from a different website, and it's like an 18-kilometer radius, and it's like a random place I have taken, just not a particular one. And let me rain here. just set this for something like 100. Yeah. So as I said, it's a 18-kilometer radius. It's not in a perfect scale in this model to show you, so that doesn't matter. It's in for this simulation. So you can even keep a small product design scale too. So to create this topology, you can follow my next video, and you can create this topology. So let's run here, and here you can see some of these are actually sliding down here, right? Like this and like this. So as I kept 100, you need to wait 2 more seconds, like before I kept 150. So how much less drops you keep, that you need to keep more, you need to wait for more time. So if you keep like directly 200 like that, so it completes in a very quicker way. So now let's stop the raining and extract and close this. And now see, let's again see the rain with 150. Let's do 200. So this is like from like 100 drops, right? So let's do for 200. EVE rain and select object, and let me keep this 100, and let's rain with 200 drops. Let's rain. And stop raining and extract. So if you see from this topology and this topology, this is more actually detailed, and this is not that detailed. So this is what it does with if you keep more like 200 and 300, it gives more detail, waterways and the catchment areas. So if you see this this trail here, like this, the water is flowing like this, and this is a common path for water flow, and this makes the catchment area. So if you go for the present site, you'll be finding this like some small valley kind of and water body here. So and some of these are like here and here. So by this you can take some solutions for this, and you can also do for your solution for again this rain analysis, and finally you can create your output. So that's it, and thank you so much for seeing this video. Follow us in Instagram, MR.CURVES Studio, and again we have a website, MR.CURVESstudio.in. Thank you.